I'm on an east-facing slope just near the ridge line of the ramp north of Bridger Bowl. And this area in the last couple days received about 8 inches of new snow right here. And at ridge top, so the wind has picked up and it's starting to drift that snow into unstable slabs. In fact, on a small test slope, we stepped on it and got shooting cracks and created a small avalanche. So take that, extrapolate onto a bigger slope, we'd be avoiding those wind-loaded areas. Beyond avoiding wind-loaded slopes, what's really driving our decision-making in the mountains is the weak foundation that makes up the snowpack here. If you're thinking about traveling in and around steeper terrain, you're going to need to dig down, you're going to need to test that interface, and if you see signs of instability, like collapsing, shooting cracks, or poor test scores like we had here, you're going to be wanting to turn back toward lower angle terrain.